Hi, this is Angie with XCP Corp. Today I would like to introduce to you our VendaVolt timer payment door kit with bill acceptor. This bill acceptor accepts payments up to $20 and any cashless payment form you would like to use with our NAYAX VPOS Touch. You also get a 12-volt power supply, and this is the actual brains of the operation. It has a JY15 board in it and connects to your machinery with only 2 wires. Let's go ahead and make payment with our NAYAX. We're going to choose...
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
3 minutes for $3.
Authorizing.
If you notice, you will get 3 pulses.
Thank you.
Telling the timer board that you would like to vend for 3 minutes. The customer has been charged and it has begun now. In the last minute of operation, you will receive beeping noises to let the customer know that the time is almost over. Once again, this is our VendaVolt timer payment door kit